Hi, my name is Doug Grills. I'm the owner of AutoStream Car Care. And today I want to talk to you about Autoshop Solutions. They're an online marketing company that we've been using for 10 years, and we've gotten outstanding results with Autoshop Solutions. They do a tremendous job of understanding your business and your needs and the things that you need to do to be able to bring cars to your shop every day to keep your technicians busy and keep things productive. And they really take the time to understand your unique situation and the intricacies of your marketplace. So we've loved working with them. We've got a great relationship with them. Anytime as we've been growing our business, when we're adding a location, they do a tremendous job working with our team, getting the location ready so that the day that we open the doors, we come out of the gates strong. We've opened a couple of locations in the last few years where literally we're doing, $100,000 plus a month in sales right out of the gate. And we owe a lot of that credit to Autoshop Solutions. I would tell you that if you're looking for an online marketing company in the automotive space, the very best company that you can find is Autoshop Solutions. Give them a call today.